Hey, I gotta go to a land down under. Yep, we're gonna go under the house and we're going to be attaching and securing the big pipe that ties both halves of the manufactured home together with the HVAC system, so stay tuned. Hello, welcome back to Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. I'm your host, Jerry Hansen. I've got to go underneath the house. The big pipe that I installed when I put both halves of the mobile home together and put the foundation together. You saw that in a previous video. Now I'm going to join the HVAC system to both halves and show you how I'm going to do it. Okay, I got my DeWalt driver. And I've got a 5/16 hex bit. I've got 10 of these self-tapping hex bits with 10 of these fender washers. And this will secure the pipe securely in place. And then we're going to follow up and wrap it in some duct tape. So let's go into the house to that land down under and get this job done. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's secure this thing. I'm sticking 5 evenly spaced on each pipe. Okay, this is the vent going up on the front half of the mobile home where the living room and the 2 bedrooms are. And this came loose, but I'm going to show you guys, take this opportunity to show you guys how to attach these for those of you who are trying to assemble their own mobile home, a do-it-yourself thing. So unfortunately, my duct tape did not stick. So that's why I'm incorporating these self-tapping hex screws right here with the fender washers. These are going to hold them in place and it's not going to come off. But we do have a problem with rodents, and the rodents will chew through this thing. Little bastards. So let's get this thing fixed. This wire you see coming out of here, that's telephone wire that I'm using. And that is what, let's take this off. That's what goes out to my backyard speakers in the porch, the back porch. So let's get this up. Okay. I love this bit because it has a magnet on it and keeps it in hand. Of course, see, you got this flange, and this is what we're going to be drilling through to holding this in place. So no wonder why I was not getting heating up into the manufactured home area. It was just heating the bottom crawl space. What a waste. Really, what a waste. But we haven't used this system for years because we use the propane fireplace to do our heating. And it works out just as well for us because it's cheaper than running the electric. And it allows us to pursue our goal of going completely off grid. Okay, let me reposition my butt. Okay. All right. Yeah, this is the land down under I was referring to, underneath the house. Boy, I spent a lot of time under the house this month. Oh. Okay, 2 more, and we'll have it secure. Okay. Now I apply the duct tape to seal the holes. And that's what this tape was formulated for. Duct tape, not duct tape, but duct tape, D-U-C-T. But the brand of this tape is called Duck, D-U-C-K. Now you guys have seen my underparts. Yep, the downward regions. This is done. So now I can crawl out of here. You guys can see more of my butt. Oh, crawling out of here. Okay, here we go. This is my other side. I see light at the end of the tunnel. It ain't very bright, but at least it is subtle. Okay. Okay, we're done. Okay, I gotta put this back into place. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Now my door won't go in all the way. I think the wood is swelled from the moisture in the air. Well, that concludes the Homestead Building Project episode of going underneath the house and showing you the land down under here at home Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. Part of the homestead nobody ever sees, but now you've seen it. I can share with you guys how I tied my HVAC system together and did it all by myself. Now I purchased this big pipe, comes condensed down in a box. I purchased it from Lowe's. I only used so many feet of it, and the rest of it, it was about half of it, and the rest of it I went ahead and donated to Habitat for Humanity, so I know that they'll put it to good use. So stay tuned to more videos and episodes on the Homestead Building Project series. I'm glad you guys were able to come along and share this adventure with me. Please stay tuned to more videos. You could do that by subscribing, then clicking that bell icon. That'll alert you to new videos as I do upload them. Something else you could do for me is click that share button. Sharing my videos on your social media platforms really helps out the channel a lot. Another thing you can do for us is like the show. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and remember, always be safe and always be kind. We'll see you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.